surprised that it happened so sudden, no, na yun nga, nag-pass away siya. Chino and I have been very close, magkasama kami nung nag-start ako ng broadcasting. Hindi ko naman, side career lang naman yun, no? We actually believe in the same things, same wavelength, no? Same advocacies. So nung magkasama kami, we talked about a lot of things in sports, a lot of things in basketball. And although hindi pa kami magkatugma 100%, siguro 90%, no, magkatugma yung mga ideas namin and opinions. That's why it was really good to be conversing with him. Alam mo si Chino, madaldal yun, tapos very expressive siya dun sa mga ideas niya, passionate siya, and that's one thing I like. Hindi siya takot magsabi ng nasa isip niya. Again, pareho kami ng attitude in that aspect. And then nung PBL commissioner ako and I had to resign to go back to PBA, siya yung naisipan kong i-recommend doon sa board, kay Boss Joseldo, no? So kinausap ko siya, sabi ko, gusto mo ba tong posisyon na to? Kasi kung gusto mo, I can recommend you because I'm stepping down and I'm going back to coaching. So yun, medyo sabi niya, bigyan mo ako ng oras iisipin ko, pero interesting, very interesting yung proposal mo. So after that, sabi niya, sige, I'll take my chances with that. It's a challenge. So from there, lalo pa kaming napalapit sa isa't isa. Kaya si Reka, no, tsaka yung mami niya, kasama rin natin sa no. So hindi lang si Chino ang natin no, ang ka-close natin, no, yung pamilya niya. So to me, it's a big loss. But one thing siguro na na pwede kong ikatuwa, no, sa pagkakilala ko kay Chino. He did what he wanted to do with boldness. Minsan mali siya, pero kahit mali siya, basta sinabi niya na yun ang gusto niya, diretso pa rin siya, no? Pero yun ang hindi mo maaalis kay Chino, no? Pagka nag-decision siya, I think it's it's in this character na paninindigan niya. So in that aspect, hahanga ka doon sa mga beliefs and passions niya na inano niya talaga, pinanindigan niya. So nabigla ako, nakakalungkot, pero I think the consolation is this is the way he wanted to go. Ito yung he lived a good life. Even at 56, sabihin natin bata, pero it could have been 2 or 3 lifetimes for somebody else. Late ka na. Hindi ko na mauulit.
Siya kayo rin nakita.
I think nagkita kami 2 or 3 months ago. Hindi ko masyadong ma-recall, no? Hindi, nag-text siya, tapos tumawag siya, nakipagkwentuhan, tapos sabi niya minsan pwede kita imbitahin doon sa parang YouTube yata niya yun, no? Sabi ko sige, walang problema, hindi niya na ako nabalikan. Sabi ko, pag na-fine ako, babayaran mo, ha? Sabi niya, sige. Okay, sige. Salamat.